Another news that will shock you and shock the world. It's a win for Honorable Rigathi Gachagua wa Munyoro. The Court of Appeal has ruled that Honorable Rigathi Gachagua was unlawfully impeached as the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. So, kumaanisha that Honorable Kindiki is in the wrong office and he should not be the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Hiyo number one. Ya pili, the court goes ahead by allowing Gachagua to vie as the president in the next coming general election. Unaona constitution inasema kama umekuwa impeached ufai ku vie in any office. Unaona kabisa, we milele tu hautawahi vie in any public office. Unaona, but now that the court has ruled that he was the people were wrong, like the MPs were wrong, they wrongfully impeached him, he is now allowed to vie for any seat, be the president, any seat. So Gachagua is now free to vie for presidency. So acha nikuulize, ukiangalia vizuri Gachagua anaweza akiamua kuvai as the president of the Republic of Kenya, is he able to win over Ruto? That's number one. Is he going to make an alliance with Honorable Matiang'i now that Matiang'i pia anataka kuwa president? Anaweza kuwa deputy wake na Matiang'i avai as presidency na waende win with a landslide ama yeye ndiye anaweza kuwa president alafu Matiang'i akuwe deputy and they go and win with a landslide, ama waunde coalition na Kalonzo and they go and win with a landslide and make the next the next government in 2027. What do you think?